Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video, we'll talk about what is quotation of rates. So quotation of rates, as you have heard of it, it's called a rate list. What are quotation of rates? And you have probably heard this terminology in the piecework agreement. So quotation of rates, we'll talk about this. But before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe our channel first and also press the bell notification icon. So what are quotation of rates? It is known as the rate list from the contractor. Quotation of rates are the rate list from the contractor for different types of work, for piecework agreements. So the quotation rates invitation notice is given and series contractors submit their quotation of works. So there's a kind of tender notice. It's the same like that. So a quotation invitation note is given in the press, in the newspaper, upon which the contractors submit their quotation of rates for different types of works, in which item rates are listed. So basically it's a rate list from the contractor side. If you want to make a piecework agreement for small types of work, we give a notice in the newspaper which is known as quotation invitation. So that upon that notice, contractor apply and they provide their quotation of rates for that specific type of work. So this is known as quotation of rate, and it is done for piecework agreement, which is for small types of work like for repairing or for finishing type of work, and in which there's no security involved or no time limit is set, no time frame is set, and there's no fixed amount of quantity of work. Total quantity of work is not certain. So that's how piecework agreement works for small works, and in this quotation of works are requested from the contractor via a notice in the newspaper. So I think it's now clear this terminology, like the quotation of rates and how they are being used. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.